if you want to convert JPG into a PDF, I'm going to introduce you another successful app. Okay, the application name is Vflat. We need to go to the Play Store and type Vflat. This is the icon of that. Install it, and I need to update it because it received an update. So let me open the Vflat. Vflat is a cool application, okay, and I open it, and as you can see, it can detect the paper, okay, and it automatically scan it. I mean, it automatically, as you can see, taking picture from it and make it a PDF. This tab, it automatically scan, and if you go to the folder of that, in here you need to press on create a PDF. This is your first page. If you press on plus, you can add your second page that it's this application scan it. After you done it, on the color mode, you can choose black and white, I mean the grayscale or the color. Press OK. The quality is high. If you want to make it low, you can set it as low. For example, if you want to send it via email or this kind of things, you can set the quality into the low, because the space that is going to allocate is going to be high. Okay, I didn't change anything, and I just press on create a PDF. In here, your PDF created successfully, and if you want to see it or the other things, for example, if you want to share it, you will see, if you press on more, you will see other kind of applications that they can share. If you press on open file, for example, let me choose this one, this PDF reader. I press into the open file. On the open file, for example, you have several choices on opening this PDF. I press on OneDrive. Okay, as you can see, the PDF successfully created, and I highly recommend this application. It is available for Android and iOS, and I put the download link on the description. See you in the next one.